Hello and welcome to Sew and Stack by Abaniz. It's officially spring here in Texas, but we are already getting that summer heat as well. So I'm trying to fully enjoy these spring days. There is this park where we always go for walks, and they are nice enough to leave an entire area undisturbed, so the flowers can grow and the bees can do their work. What I most love about spring is to see lots of wildflowers. I love all these flowers, and dandelions are one of my favorites. I do embroidery from time to time, and I'm thinking of embroidering a dandelion this time. First thing we have to do is prepping the embroidery hoop, and I'm using a cotton fabric here. Make sure the fabric is properly tied to the hoop before you start to do anything else. This is more like making a fabric drum. Dandelions get their name because of their lion's teeth-like leaves. If you look closely, they are somewhat jagged in shape. So I'm thinking of adding that feature to this design. For that, I'm cutting dandelion leaves out of green-colored felt fabric. I do not have a pattern here, I'm just trying to do this freely. And 2 leaves will do. I'm just sewing the leaves spreading apart from the bottom, and if you would like, you can add more veins to the leaves. I'm only doing the middle one, and I feel like it's already looking really nice. For the stem, I just draw a line extending in between the 2 leaves, and I'm using split stitch to do the stem part. This is basically the back stitch, but while doing so, you split the stitch in the middle. I will do a separate video for that later, and I'm using 4 threads in here. Now we are done with the stem, and let's move to the middle part of the flower. I'm drawing a small circle in the middle for the seed heads, and I'm using French knots for that. We have to do a whole bunch of French knots to fill the entire circle. If you don't know how to do the French knots, I'll leave a link for that in the description. I have selected the colors I prefer. Feel free to experiment with your own colors or use whatever you have in hand. The only thing now we have to do is embroidering the extensions around the circle. If you are not quite clear about the boundary line, draw a circle around it using an air erasable or water soluble fabric marking pen. Try to make long stitch starting from the inner circle and then ending close to the outer circle. After that, make 3 to 4 short stitches extending from that long stitch like this for each and every long stitch. Repeat the same until you go all the way around the circle. Finally, we can add some free floating seeds as well. This is the final look of our embroidered dandelion, and I hope you all like it. I have heard in some cultures people blow out a dandelion seed head and make a wish they want to come true. I have never done the wishing part, and maybe next time I'll do that too. Thank you for watching, and I'll join you in the next video.